friends, welcome back to the Completely Me Show. I'm Dr. Justine Green. I'm so glad you're here with me today. We are going to be talking all about the weather during winter. And what might you see outside your window? Snow! Let's play with some. Come on! Okay, friends, today's song is all about 5 little snowmen. And if you'd like, at the end of the song, you can use it as a loop and start from the beginning once again and practice your counting down technique. But let's get started. 5 little snowmen were sitting in a row. One rolled off and got stuck in the snow. The others called out, "Come back, come back." And then there were only 4 in the pack. 4 little snowmen were sitting in a row. One rolled off and got stuck in the snow. The others called out, "Come back, come back." And then there were only 3 in the pack. 3 little snowmen were sitting in a row. One rolled off and got stuck in the snow. The others called out, "Come back, come back." And then there were only 2 in the pack. 2 little snowmen were sitting in a row. One rolled off and got stuck in the snow. The others called out, "Come back, come back." And then there was only 1 in the pack. 1 little snowman sitting all alone. A big gust of wind came and he was thrown down the hill. He rolled right into the snow. Now there were 5 little snowmen in a row. Just because it's winter outside does not mean that there are no bubbles, because it's bubble time, my friends. Woo! Here in Florida, we don't have snow to watch and catch on our tongue. So instead, we pop bubbles. Woo! Pop those bubbles, my friends. So this month's kit is all about snow and what we can do with snow. And this is different than what you may find outside because it is totally safe if you were to explore with your taste buds. Taste safe. And it smells like peppermint, which always makes me think of the winter season. So let's get to it. If this is your first kit, then you will find a dustpan and broom to help with cleanup, which is so important for our motor skills, but also for responsibility. If we make a mess, we should help clean it up, and that we should learn at a young age. I spy with my little eye some snow. And remember, it will smell like peppermint. Yum. Ooh, what else do we see? This is a plastic container with a lid that turns to open and close, which is really helpful for our development and our muscles and finger strength. I see a snowflake, and not the ones on my dress, a snowflake container with a lid that pops open and closed. I can't wait to see what this looks like with snow inside. We have a measuring cup, and do you see those little ridges? That's for our fingers, and it's really gonna be great to pour with our handy dandy scooper. Back and forth and back and forth. Pouring is so important for our little one's development, from hand-eye coordination to hand strength and cross-body movements, and it's fun. What's this? A snowman. It's kind of like a snowball maker, but this is in the shape of a snowman. Should we name it Olaf? We open and we'll put our snow inside and we squeeze our hands together and it should come out as a wonderful snowman. And we have a red one over here in the shape of a heart. Open, close, open, close. A heart because I love you. Are you ready to play? I am. Today's calm breathing technique is called balloon breath. And there's two different ways you could do it. The first way you can do a balloon breath is you interlock your fingers and you start with them on your head. When you breathe in, you bring your hands up to make your arms in the shape of a balloon. And when you breathe out, you could try to make your lips move. And that exhale is really, really great for our self-regulation. So let's try it one more time. Inhale, make your hands really big into a balloon, and exhale, make your lips move. Let's try one more time. That one's a lot of fun. Let's try our second technique, which you bring your hands up over your head and it makes a balloon shape with your hands. And when you pop it, you breathe out and you clap over by your heart. Let's try it again. And breathe out. Let's try it one more time. Breathe in, make a balloon, and pop that balloon, breathe out. Which one was your favorite? Now it's time to say goodbye just for today. Yes, you and I, it's time to say goodbye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to hit the like button. To learn more about child development, parenting, and the disabled world, make sure to hit subscribe. Also, don't forget to sign up for the Completely Me activity kits that your little ones will love. See you again soon.